Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing the follow-up video from the ADF light bracket install, and we've got some lights on there now. Let's take a look and check them out. As a bit of an update, I've had the car off the road for a couple of months. One of the dust seals from the idler from the cam belt that we replaced came out and went through the timing belt, and we bent 4 exhaust valves. So we've got a new engine in here from a Subaru Explora, and it's running really well. So absolutely stoked to have it back on the road and have some more adventures coming up. The light that we went for is the Narva 175 LED driving light. The reason why I went with these, they're a pair and they are ADR approved, so I can use them legally on the road with my high beam. Here in New Zealand we're not really allowed to use light bars, so I've got the 14-inch Narva light bar on a separate switch. So let's take a wee look underneath the hood and I'll show you how I've installed it and braced the ADF light bracket. You'll notice along here I've bent up a 3mm steel strip so it braces itself down off the bumper beam here. The main reason we put the bracing in underneath the light bracket was to combat vibrations. For small pod lights you'd get away with it no problem, but anything bigger than that, you start to end up with that massive wobble at your high beam end, and it's not very nice to drive with. So we bolted the steel through here and here, bent it down and round and braced it up against the front bumper there. Now it's nice and secure and it's beautiful to drive with. So these lights are absolutely insane. One lux at 535 meters and they weigh 600 grams, which is perfect for a little car like this. The other part that's really sweet on these is the daytime running lamps. So when you've got your lights off, you've got these happening. So we're going to take it out tonight and show you what these lights can do.